On the 1st of June, 2026, HeyMax deleted 17 partners in one stroke. Emirates, United, Marriott, Qantas, gone from the app overnight. Most people read it as retreat. It was the opposite. It was a company discovering what a partnership actually is. This is the map of who HeyMax is really partnered with today, and the ranked list of who should come next. The banks, the wallets, the telcos, the fuel pumps, and the two prizes hiding in plain sight. The thesis in one line: the partner list is not a list. It is a coalition being assembled, and the seat at its center is one nobody else in the region can take. Chapter 1: 21 Treaties and a Lattice. Strip away the marketing, and HeyMax's real partner map has 3 layers. The top layer: 21 direct transfer partnerships, 15 airlines, 6 hotel programs, and inside it, a treaty tier of 2 names signed 9 months apart. Cathay Pacific, November 2025, the centerpiece of the Hong Kong launch. Japan Airlines, July 2026, 1-to-1 and instant. 2 of Asia's 3 premium airline franchises, signed by a 30-person Singapore startup, on rates that have never moved. The middle layer is the one most people miss: the Lattice. 6 deals in 18 months where other companies plugged their currencies into max miles. Atome, the buy now pay later giant, converting its points. Chocolate Finance, paying investment returns in miles. The U-Grocery Coalition, cold storage giant 7-Eleven going two-way, which quietly created the highest grocery earn rate in Singapore. Plaza Premium lounges. Octopus in Hong Kong, the first time in 30 years that tapping an octopus earned airline miles. And Visa, whose card platform powers HeyMax's wallet-watching engine. The bottom layer funds it all. 800 merchants in Singapore, 300 in Hong Kong, paying the commissions that mint every mile. Here is the pattern. In every deal that lasted, the partner came to HeyMax. For a travel exit their own program could not mint. Groceries, lounges, transit, yield. One bilateral deal at a time, HeyMax is assembling the coalition program Singapore never had. And nobody else is even bidding for the seat. Chapter 2: What makes a partner stick? Why did 17 partners die in June? Arithmetic. Those 17, the cash for miles tier, were never treaties. HeyMax bought their miles at retail. American Airlines sells miles at 3.5 US cents each. HeyMax's own mile is worth about 1.8 Singapore cents. Every conversion lost money, and the optimizers converted exactly when it hurt most. So the whole tier went. The lesson: a partnership exists only when the counterparty signs obligations. Everything else is a logo rental waiting to be repriced. The second lesson came from Atome. The buy now pay later partner launched its points conversion, then repriced it, 47% worse, overnight, unilaterally. HeyMax's currency was issued issued at a rate HeyMax did not control. The fix is contractual: rate governance, notice periods, floors. No future deal should ship without it. Out of the map's history falls a grammar, 5 questions that predict whether a partnership holds. What is the partner's structural deficit? What gap does a travel currency fill that they cannot fill themselves? Who funds the mile, and does the funding survive success? Is the rate governed by contract? Does the deal reach HeyMax's actual demographic, the card optimizing, traveling household, where it already spends? And does it replicate across markets? Score any candidate on those 5, and the frontier ranks itself. Which is exactly what the rest of this video does, starting with the 2 prizes the grammar rates highest. Chapter 3: The 2 biggest prizes. Prize 1 lives in Hong Kong, and HeyMax already knows its owner. The grocery coalition run by DFI, has 5 million members. That is 2/3 of Hong Kong's population, shopping across 2,500 stores. Welcome, Manning's, 7-Eleven, IKEA, KFC. Its points terminate in grocery discounts. No airline exit at all, in a city whose only aspirational currency, Asia miles, keeps devaluing. Now the twist: DFI already signed the Singapore version of exactly this deal with HeyMax in June. Same parent company, proven template. Signing Hong Kong is closer to a contract amendment than a negotiation. and it would put max miles inside the weekly shopping of 2/3 of a territory. Beside it sits Octopus, 36 million cards, 16 million transactions a day, a rewards program frozen since the 90s. The December pilot already proved miles on Octopus works, and in October, millions of expiring cards forced the biggest re-onboarding event in the rail's history. The window has a date on it. Prize 2 is in Singapore, Trust Bank. 1 million customers in 3 years. 22% of the country's entire Visa foreign exchange spend, a bank whose customers are, by the data, travelers. And its only rewards currency is a grocery point with zero travel utility. 1 million traveling customers who cannot earn a single mile from their bank. One conversion bridge, link points to max miles, fixes that overnight. 3 deals, 2 cities, all of them waiting. Chapter 4, Wallets, Fuel, and Yield. The wider frontier, fastest first. U-Trip, 1.5 million travel intent users on Singapore's favorite multi-currency wallet and no loyalty program at all. Its rival Revolut is arriving with points that convert to KrisFlyer. Every month U-Trip waits, the partnership gets more urgent and HeyMax's leverage grows. This is the cleanest signing in the book, and the clock is running. Airlines, the win-back is velocity. Virgin Australia's program is the hungriest partner in the hemisphere, and a direct treaty would reopen the entire Australian market on the exact condition this series once set for it. Singapore Airlines, closed, KrisFlyer needs nobody. The white whale stays a whale. Fuel, Esso already converts to KrisFlyer, proving Singapore drivers want miles at the pump. Caltex, or SBC matching that weapon with a 21 program currency, is the best pure retail deal available, weekly frequency, proven funding. Insurance, the richest quiet money on the frontier. Insurers pay hundreds of dollars in acquisition commissions per policy. In Japan, insurance bounties fund entire point economies. Nothing like it exists in Singapore yet. And the deepest mechanism of all, yield to miles. Chocolate Finance already sells miles against investment returns, buying them wholesale at around 1.25 cents, handing members 2.9% effective returns. Every wealth platform fighting a rate war can run the same trade. Miles on money, not just miles on shopping, that is where the economics compound. Telcos, business cards, virtual banks, same grammar, same answer. Sign where someone else funds the mile. Chapter 5, The Priority Stack. Rank it all and the top 10 reads, U Hong Kong, Octopus standing earn before the October card wave, Trust Bank, U-Trip before Revolut lands, Velocity, Chocolate Finance's Hong Kong launch, 1 fuel brand, 1 insurer. 1 Hong Kong virtual bank, 7 of the 8 have no travel currency at all. And 1 business spend platform, because no company card in Southeast Asia earns transferable miles, and the founder choosing that card is the same person optimizing their personal wallet today. Just as important is what to refuse. Refuse mocks, its shelf is full. Refuse grab-shaped giants, they want value locked inside their own loops and have devalued every external promise they ever made. Refuse any deal without rate governance. Refuse bank plumbing, that war belongs to the incumbents. And refuse the 50-partner target as a goal in itself. Count follows coalition, never the reverse. What would prove this thesis wrong? If you Hong Kong or Octopus fails to land by mid-2027 with the templates already proven. If a treaty rate, Cathay or JAL, ever moves. If Revolut captures the community before U-Trip or Trust signs. If the next 3 deals ship ungoverned. Watch those 4 signals and you are watching the whole strategy. Because the real product here was never the app. It is the currency every other company's program quietly needs, and the coalition being built around it, one deficit at a time. Independent analysis, public sources, August 2026. Not affiliated, not financial advice.